What's up, guys? Crossroads Carry. I just picked up this Tokarev shotgun. Wanted to do a quick unboxing. So, pull it out of the bag. Okay. This is the Tokarev TTS 12. It is a semi-automatic shotgun. I believe it's 5+1. YouTube doesn't really like naming the prices of things, but I'll say it was under $150. I'm gonna have to install the charging handle. They actually included 2 charging handles. I don't know if they meant to do that or not, but I guess I have an extra one. Trigger lock.